All right, man. Here we go. This is my first official cut as a barber apprentice. My first time putting on the neck strip. You see, I ain't doing it right. Jerry had to come in and coach me on how to do it, how to put the collar in, stretch it out. I didn't know you could stretch those out. I thought it would break. You see, Jerry got me right. Now we're about to do the consultation. He likes his cuts high and tight. So it's gonna be a high and tight skin fade. Jerry's just coaching me some more, and you can see, man, I was so concentrated. I forgot to take a before pic. Right here, Jerry had to tell me like, "Yo, you in the way of your camera, bro." So I was just concentrated on the cut, really. Jerry's just coaching me, making sure it's even. And I'm just setting in that first line. Right there, he told me to flip it around. And we just balding them out now with the trimmers. See me, man, looking like a young natural over here. I gotta get used to how to hold that ear. I don't know, man. I need some work on that. But as you can see, man, it's pretty straight. It's pretty straight, man. Your boy ain't bad when it came to that. Brushing off the trimmers. And here we go, man. We about to clean them off real quick. And then get the top to the desired length. I believe it was a 2, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe it was a 4. Maybe it was a 4. Yeah, I think it was a 4. But we just getting it down to that 4, trying to be consistent with it. And here we go. We are fading up on this one, but as y'all will see, Jerry cuts a little different. So I'm excited for y'all to see how he's teaching me and how he does it once we get started on his channel. But he actually fades down, which it's a bit confusing for me because most of the tutorials I see, everybody fades up. But it's good, man. I like learning something different. Not many people fade down, so I like it. And as y'all can see, man, your boy's looking like a young natural at this point. Jerry's coming in and telling me how far apart, you know, the blends need to be, if that is the correct way to say it. Basically, he was telling me that the third one needs to be the same amount as the first and the second one. So that's what we doing, man. We getting this thing going. You see, I got my my Babyliss FX1 Low Pros. Those things are sick. Jerry didn't want me to get those. If y'all seen my previous video, he wanted me to get the the TPOB, which probably would have been the smarter choice when it comes to cash, you know, the amount that it costs. But I wanted these. These are the ones that I wanted, so these are the ones I got. You can see we're blending into the top now. His hair grows in different directions, so you know, we were just working with that and doing the best we could, and we're just blending it into the top, man. What y'all think though, man? I need y'all to comment down below and let me know, how is your boy doing on his first cut? How's the wrist motion? You know, to me, I'm looking like a natural. But y'all let me know, man. Be brutally honest with me. And I will say, there you go. There you see Jerry's just letting me know to come, you know, look at it. Make sure everything is even. Make sure, you know, both sides are looking the same, looking consistent with one another. And yeah, man, we're just following the process, going through the steps. And one area where I really struggled with this first cut was going over stuff too many times. Like, I literally could have finished this cut so quickly, but I don't know, for some reason I was just going over the same spot way too many times. Yeah, but so I will say I have cut his hair one time before, back in 2019 in my bathroom when I was considering, you know, becoming a barber. I didn't end up going through with it at the time, obviously, But yeah, that was back in 2019. We in 2024 now, so it was a little while ago, and this is how it looks. As y'all can see, I put it up on the screen for you. See my cousin over there falling asleep. It was taking a little while, man. It was taking a little while because, like I said, I was just going over the same spot too many times. But yeah, man, so like I said, I did cut his hair once before, but that was really the only cut I've done. And I've done another one, but that one was horrible lighting in my garage, like during the nighttime, so I don't really count that one because I couldn't see anything. And it was around that same time when I was really considering doing this, but I ended up going another direction with it. I wish I would have stayed with it, but it's all good, man. We're doing it now. This is something that I've wanted to do for quite some time, and I'm glad I'm finally going through with it. But as you can see, Jerry's stepping in now, just, you know, guiding me along, coaching me. See your boy's concentrated, and Jerry's a really good he's a really good coach, man. Definitely grateful to have someone like Jerry show me how to do this. Has tons of patience, and he goes above and beyond for sure. I'm just trying to soak it all in. There we go. I believe these are his masters, and he said with these ones they mimic another, like something with a guard. I forget exactly what it is, but he wanted me to use these on this next step here. Maybe some of y'all more experienced barbers, you know, would know. You'll see Jerry has some pretty strong opinions when it comes to clippers and blades and all that, so y'all will get to know Jerry, and yeah, we'll have a lot of content, a lot of things to talk about for sure. So I look forward to all that. But this is where I spent a lot of time, man. Way too much time. Just going over the same spots over and over. But it's your boy's first cut, man, you know? So I can't be too hard on myself. But you can see, man, the concentration is on another level. You see the look in my eyes, man. I'm super concentrated. I'm just trying to do as best I can. Trying to implement all the stuff that I've seen in these videos, all the stuff I've seen Jerry do. And it's definitely gonna be a process, man. But I'm hyped, man. I'm excited. See the little man over there. But still going, and this is sped up, so you know, just to let y'all know, man, I was on this for quite some time. The total time it took me to do this cut was about an hour, and this should have been a 20-30 minute cut max. Even at my experience level, I feel I should have finished this much quicker, but I just spent way too much time on it. But you see, we are making sure we get all the stragglers. There's a little technique that Jerry showed me to make sure it's super clean, and not completely finished. But as y'all will see, I took so long that my camera actually ended up dying on me right about now.
The year before. Serious.
Jerry had to finish it off, but
No, you're good.
that's pretty much it right here.
There's just little spots I don't want to go too much into.
But as y'all can see, this is the before when he first came in, and this right here is the after. Jerry, like I said, Jerry did help me out a little bit, but not too bad, man. I did the bulk of it myself, and not too bad for my first cut. I don't know, man. What y'all think? Drop a comment down below. Let your boy know how'd I do, and stay tuned for the rest, man. We got so much on the way.